because I think it's giving. God, this your bald neck, daddy. Good morning! So, I look a mess right now. I had planned to go walking and working out, but God had other plans when he let this heat come out. So I changed my mind because it's too hot outside. So I think I'm going to do breakfast. I'm in between a bagel, fruit, or just eating everything, so I'm trying to debate, but I don't know. But I am so happy. Today is appointment day, and I do have so much planned today. I am so excited to take you guys along with me. So we're gonna get some stuff done, and yeah, I just gotta figure out where to start,
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing every pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
So I went ahead and decided to get dressed for today and get ready for my appointment because I did not want to be late. It's not until 2:15 and it's about like 1:21 now. So let me show you what I decided to wear. So I was gonna wear these because it just has pink in it, but I'm feeling yellow because I want my yellow slides. So these are my yellow slides. I'm thinking about putting on with this outfit because I think it's giving. Yeah, it's giving that. So yes, we're getting ready to leave for our appointment. I actually went ahead and did my makeup. I'm out of breath. And got my clothes on. It's supposed to be a hurricane in Georgia, so we're kind of making sure that we are staying safe and also watching the weather because nobody don't want to get caught up in a swirl. So we're gonna make sure we head to our appointment. I was supposed to vlog what I ate, but I forgot. Soon, halfway through it, I had already ate it. And then I was like, oh my God, I didn't even vlog. So nevertheless, it's okay. So we're getting ready to leave for my appointment. I just wanted to do an outfit of the day. I need to go find my yellow purse so that I can put my yellow purse with it. And I got my yellow slides on. I did get this outfit from Shein and also the shoes from Shein and also the bag. Cause you gotta be a baddie on a budget, okay? So we're gonna catch up once we get to my appointment. I am going to go ahead, listen, just hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a snack, but this right here, this combination right here, I'm telling you, better get you some, listen, sponsor me, Grand, cause I drink all of them.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death.
So guys, I made it to my appointment. I'm usually in the back and we just have to leave a sample of everything. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna go back to the waiting room just to update you guys. Guys, this your bald neck, daddy. Alright. Say hello.
Guys, baby. I'm so sorry. For your mama getting on your nerves, I should be getting on my nerves. You'll experience it, you'll see. When you come running to me telling me how much you get on your nerves, I'm gonna be sitting right here. Cause you don't know how much she get on your nerves. She crazy. Crazy. I'm sorry.
With their back up. Oh. So they're facing towards your back.
Really?
Which doesn't make very good pictures, you know. So hopefully she'll pull over.
So guys, we just made it home. I went ahead and kind of got everything that I had on earlier. I got it off, got in something more comfortable and relaxed, and I went ahead and cooked dinner. So I did see a TikTok where there was chicken lasagna rolls, and I chose to do the chicken lasagna rolls because I wanted something different, and I felt like I was always cooking the same thing. So excuse my husband's CPAP in the back, okay? He gotta breathe. So we're just going to go ahead and eat. I don't know if y'all know Peach McIntyre, but on TikTok she's usually like, we're about to have a good time, we about to have a good time with that food, you hear me? So we're getting ready to eat, and we didn't really do much here today because there's supposed to be like a hurricane coming. So I just didn't want to be all out, and the stores was really packed. Everywhere was jammed because everybody's trying to get stuff before the storm comes, and I just didn't want all of that going on. I wanted to be in my house, chilling, relaxing, and if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We're chilling, okay? So we had baby girl's appointment today. You will see the two doppers on my stomach, if that's what they call, because they're saying that baby girl is measuring small, but they think it's due to just naturally I'm small. So they think that that is what it's for, and they just want to make sure that she's growing properly. So far nothing has been wrong. She's just a small baby so far, but we have to go every week, get an ultrasound, talk to the doctor, get a stress test, get a contraction test, and it wears me thin, okay? It wears me thin. But I'm so glad she's healthy and she's doing fine, even though they're telling me she's small, because I was really scared. Like, I was tripping out when they first told me she was small. I was so scared. I was like, something wrong with my baby? So what's wrong? So turned out nothing was wrong with her. So I'm so glad about that. So we didn't really do much today. I'm getting ready to go eat, and I'm going to show you guys some of that so you can get some of what the food looks like, because listen, I think I put my foot in it, okay? But just a little quick come to Jesus moment. I just was sitting here and I'm getting ready. I got this book. My mom actually gave me this book, and it's like a journal book, and I've been using it to write down stuff. And I just wanted to encourage you to get a journal and start journaling. Start writing down everything that you want to do, every goal for yourself. And during the week, just start jotting down how you can accomplish it Monday through Friday. I don't give myself a lot to do. I don't overwhelm myself, but I make sure every day is a productive day. Whether you want to be a content creator, whether you want to write a book, whatever, make steps to it and pray. Even when it doesn't look like it's going to blow for you, or nothing is coming in, no traffic is coming in for it or anything. Listen, still believe God. God is able to do everything, anything, and nothing is impossible with him. So just keep believing and have faith and pray, even in the midst of you not seeing it, even when it doesn't look like it, when you don't feel it, when you don't feel like it today. Push through. And that's just what I wanted to encourage you with, is just push through. So I'm going to probably write down some content today and kind of schedule out the rest of my week so that I will be ahead of the game and know exactly what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm gonna probably get ready for bed because I'm tired. Okay, so Yeah, just have faith and believe and don't stop working. Whatever you're doing, don't stop. You're doing amazing. Okay? You're doing amazing. Okay, guys, I'm outside thinking I'm a Ford cactus. This is currently in my backyard. This is how it looks, and we're supposed to have a hurricane, so we're going to see what happens. Hopefully, it doesn't get too bad. Hopefully. So, yeah, this is just how it currently looks right now. All right, guys, so this is it for today. This was our food. It turned out so good. Make sure you continue to tune in for the next vlog.